Have you ever struggled with mold in your home? Mold can be a significant concern. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most budget-friendly way to clean and eliminate mold in your house. This mold cleaning hack can be used anywhere in your home where moisture tends to accumulate. It is also a budget-friendly, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly way to not only remove mold but kill it and prevent it from coming back in the right conditions. So, what is mold? Mold is a fungus that can grow outdoors as well as indoors. Molds produce tiny spores that will spread through the air. And if conditions are right, it will begin growing. The right conditions are usually high moisture areas in your home, such as your bathroom, under your sink, and anywhere in your home where there is a leak, flood, and moisture and humidity are concentrated. During the winter, you probably won't see as much mold as you will when it starts to warm up in the spring and summer months, when the humidity rises. So a common question is mold the same as mildew? The quick answer is no. Mold and mildew are often associated together as if they are the same substance. However, according to the Environmental Protection Agency, mold and mildew aren't much different. Mildew is a type of fungus and includes some types of mold. It usually grows on shower walls. It is easy to clean with a simple scrub brush, household cleaner, and some elbow grease. On the other hand, mold includes all species of fungi. Another common question you might have is, can you get sick from mold? Mold can make you sick, or if you have a high tolerance to mold, it won't make you sick. If someone in your house has a compromised immune system, they are most likely vulnerable to experiencing severe symptoms from mold exposure. However, it's hard to determine whether mold is making you sick. There is no actual test to see if you have been exposed to mold. If you have persistent coughing and congestion in places where you have seen mold and get better when you are away from there, then it's probably mold that makes you sick. You can test if you are allergic to mold by seeing a doctor for a blood test or a skin prick test. What are the symptoms of mold sickness? Allergy symptoms. Some allergy symptoms include stuffy or runny nose, sneezing, coughing, sore throat, and fever. Skin problems and breakouts into a rash. If you have asthma, you can have increased asthma attacks, respiratory infections and illnesses, mental health problems. Now that we've covered what mold is and how it can affect your health, let's get into the world's easiest and most budget-friendly way for cleaning and eliminating it in your house. That solution is cleaning vinegar. Cleaning vinegar is the ultimate go-to formula for killing molds in every home. This solution has around 6 to 8% acetic acid. Experts say the acid in cleaning vinegar kills around 82% of molds. Because of its vital acid component, cleaning vinegar can undeniably kill the growth of microorganisms and fungi like molds. So, how do you use cleaning vinegar to kill and remove mold? To start, you may want to use personal protective equipment such as rubber gloves, eye protection, and an N95 mask. The way to kill and remove mold is by first adding cleaning vinegar to a spray bottle. Next, spray the cleaning vinegar directly onto the surface containing the mold. Now, let the cleaning vinegar penetrate the mold for 1 hour. After 1 hour, wear rubber gloves and use a sponge or brush to remove the mold. Follow up with a final spray of cleaning vinegar into the area. Now you may have killed the mold, removed it, and prevented it from coming back. But if the conditions are right again, meaning if that area experiences high humidity and moisture, the mold can grow back. So what you need to do is try to open a window or door in that area if possible, or use a dehumidifier to remove moisture. Where you shouldn't use cleaning vinegar to kill and remove mold. Stone countertops. Vinegar has the potential to etch and dull the stone surfaces of limestone and marble metals. Vinegar can corrode metals like copper and aluminum. Wooden floors. Vinegar can damage the protective finish of waxed wood surfaces. Now, if you want to learn other ways to use vinegar to clean, watch the video above. And I want to leave you with this question. Where do you notice mold most often in your home? Let me know in the comments below.